Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So I'll complete my base makeup and be right back. This makeup tutorial is completely dedicated to Echt Beauty's first year anniversary. So I'm planning to create a black smoky eye. For that, I'm using Echt Beauty gel eyeliner. First, I'm using Echt Beauty Pot Lipstick in shade Spicy Cinnamon as my transition shade. I'm blending it well on the crease with a fluffy blending brush. Then I'm using Echt Beauty gel eyeliner and lining my eyes roughly with the eyeliner brush. With another blending brush, I am gently smudging it out and blending it well on my eyelid to bring out a smoked out effect. Now I'm buffing out the crease area to avoid any harsh lines and to get a beautiful blended effect. Then I'm using the same gel eyeliner on my waterline as a kajal. It is suitable for sensitive eyes as well, so I love this gel eyeliner a lot. For blush, I am using Echt Beauty Pot Lipstick in the shade Terrific Toffee. It is a beautiful pinkish nude shade that is suitable for all skin tones. I am taking the required amount of product on the fingers and tapping it gently on the apples of my cheek and tad bit on the center of my nose and blending it well with the beauty blender. This provides a nice flush of color on my cheeks. For lips, I am going to use Echt Beauty Velvet Matte Lipsticks. I am using the shade Caramel Crunch to outline my lips. I love this beautiful orange toned terracotta brown lip shade. Then I am using the shade Original Cashmere to fill my lips. It is a perfect light pink shade for dusky skin tone. I've done my mascara off camera and that's the look I came up with Echt Beauty products. Echt Beauty is a vegan, cruelty-free and natural Indian cosmetic brand. I absolutely love their formulations a lot. Happy first anniversary to the entire team and wishing them the best for their future endeavors. So until next time, bye.